I'm Gary Schwartz, School Facilities Consultant for the Iowa Department of Education and 2015 Treasurer of the National Council on School Facilities. In this presentation, I will describe why every school district needs a safety and emergency operations plan, what it is, and how the plan is developed. The plan addresses threats and hazards that are unpredictable and generally rare and can be potentially catastrophic. The plan will communicate how your district has prepared for natural disasters and other hazards, potentially catastrophic events such as dam failures and releases of hazardous materials, and human-caused threats such as arson, bomb threats, and the rare but terrifying case of an active shooter. First, why does every district need a safety and emergency operations plan? Some states' laws require schools to engage in emergency management planning, but in all states, our public schools function in loco parentis, or in place of the parent, and must meet a high standard of care. Effective planning helps prevent emergencies from becoming crises. Interoperability makes it possible for responders from multiple agencies to work together effectively. A key part of interoperability is the use of the National Incident Management System, which provides a standardized approach to incident management. Checklists are powerful aids to remembering what to do in emergency. What is a district-level safety and emergency operations plan? It is a guide that spells out the actions that personnel will take to prevent, protect against, mitigate, and respond to, and recover from incidents. A district plan takes an all-hazards approach and identifies the steps for managing all phases of an incident. What goes into a safety and emergency operations plan? The plan describes the district's philosophy and approach to mitigating risk, working with other responders, and communicating with the public. Understanding the threats and hazards that your district schools may face is critical. These will vary according to each school's location and geography. In Iowa, our risk assessments include tornadoes and floods. No tsunamis here. There are technical experts that can help your district and community assess the risk. The plan lays out what the district will do to prevent, protect against, and mitigate threats and hazards, including facilities design measures and emergency response training for staff and students. The plan includes checklists specifying the actions that the district and school personnel will take in response to each type of event and to ensure the continued support of its schools. And the plan describes the immediate actions that the district will take to recover from an emergency, ranging from crisis counseling to finding temporary facilities to house schools. The plan needs to describe the district's emergency management structure as well as the responsibilities of each group of stakeholders so that they are prepared to act. Finally, the district's plan should incorporate a facility-specific plan for each school and administrative or support facility, including floor and site plans and any other information that emergency responders might need. Federal laws restrict the disclosure of some types of student information to non-school personnel in many situations. And the disclosure of some facilities' information could create vulnerabilities. Every district should implement policies and practices to appropriately manage sensitive information. How is a safety and emergency operations plan developed? There are 6 steps in the process. Prepare to plan, understand the situation, determine goals and objectives, develop the plan, draft, review, and approve the plan, and implement and maintain the plan. Once the plan is approved, the district guides and supports each school's planning team in customizing the district-provided material into a plan for that particular school. Once a school-level plan is approved, it is incorporated into the district plan as an appendix. The district then shares a complete plan with community partners, including first responders and local emergency management officials. Posting the information that can be shared with the public can help foster increased preparedness within the community. The time and effort invested in creating a safety and emergency operations plan will pay dividends in the lives that will be saved through the increased preparedness and more effective responses to emergencies. Examples of district and school safety and emergency operation plans can be found at the Education Facilities Clearinghouse. And thank you very much for joining us today.